Labs.net. Today in this video I am going to talk about why Google puts SQL as the #1 skill you need for machine learning and data science for those type of engineers. So let's get to it. Here's the article on Quora. Why did Google name SQL the #1 skill for machine learning engineers? So it says supervised learning, structured data, relational databases are SQL. So here is the real crust for when it comes to Google. BigQuery and big data use SQL. So that is pretty safe to say if Google's using it, that is what they expect their engineers when they come aboard to have that type of skill. So if you're just a general learn via data camp or whatever just to be a data science and you're trying to apply to Google, good luck with that because you're still not nowhere close to a coder. You need that SQL. So realize that and be comfortable with it. It's the way of the world. As for if you want to learn more, especially when it comes from a trading perspective, all you got to do is come over to the quantlabs.net Python. In there, we've got a course called the Python Infrastructure course. Shows you how to build bots and whatnot, and it's that price right there with that button. In there, you'll see I have done careful studies of various databases. The one I use is Redis, which is in the top 10 according to DB Engines. Pretty easy. It's true open source, not like MongoDB, which is more like a freemium model. So Redis is really good. So I show that, and I show that as part of my data hub for what I use and write and analyze. So just wanted to put that out there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.